Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint the Marvel Legends Iron Spider comic version. Alright, the first step is to use Bosny number 1-in-1 flat clear na spray paint. This will serve as our primer so that the paints will stick to the surface. And gumamit din pala ako ng black na primer para dun sa spider legs niya. And then the next step, we are going to dry brush the spider legs with gold, Dwarven Rich Gold from Hero Paints. Thank you very much Hero Paints for always sponsoring this video and sa mga future pa na custom repaint projects natin. Thank you very much. And the next step, we are going to use orange, blood red, and white para makapag-apply tayo ng first layer of highlights. Hindi na ako gumawa ng shadow layer kasi magiging very dark na yung red natin. So, I went straight to highlights layer 1. Yan. So, yung ginagawa kong brush motion dito is just flicking the paint across the surface para makapag-create na more gestural brush stroke finish. And the next step, we are going to use white paint dun sa previous mixture na ginawa natin para makapag-add ng lighter colors. So, ganun lang yung technique. Add lang tayo ng add ng layers. Okay, next step is to add ultra white dun sa mga areas na talagang tinatamaan ng ilaw. Now, don't worry about kung saan ilalagay yung highlights, saan ilalagay yung shadows. It can be multiple surfaces. Kasi marami namang sources of light. You can have a source of light sa taas, sa gilid, and sa baba. So right now, yung guide natin dito, kung nasan yung source of light, yun yung mga nakaangat na areas. Okay, tapos yung next na step, we are going to use black for the line art. So sa line art, I'm using a fine brush para magawa natin yung mga comic book style na line art. So dito, we can use our traditional comic book inking techniques like feathering, cross-hatching, transition lines. Pwede natin ilagay yan sa 3D dito sa action figure. And yung next step, mag-a-apply tayo ng Bosny number 1-in-1 flat clear for our top coat para maprotektahan yung paint job na ginawa natin. So yun mga ma'am sir, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!